Good evening. Tonight your lesson is on light, reflection, and refraction. You will learn about the different uh, materials that how they react with light. At the end of this lesson, you will understand the meaning of the words associated with light. Light is a form of energy that moves in waves and can travel through space. Your vocabulary terms are refraction, opaque, reflection, transparent, and translucent. Opaque. Opaque means not allowing light to pass through. Opaque materials absorb light. Light enters the material but does not leave it. In this case, the energy from the light is transferred to the material. There are many solid objects that are opaque, such as wood, stone, and some metals. Opaque materials cause shadows because the materials absorb or reflect all of the light that hits them. Refraction. Refraction is the bending of light waves as they pass from one material to another. Refraction occurs because the speed of light varies depending on the material through which the light travels. You can observe refraction when you look at a straw in a glass of water. As you observe the straw, it appears that it is bent in the water. However, we know that this is not the case. The straw appears to be bent because the light changes speed. Translucent. Translucent allows only some light to pass through. Examples of materials that are translucent: ice, wax paper, and frosted glass are translucent. You can see through translucent material, but the images are not clear like in transparent material. Reflection. Reflection is the bouncing of light waves when they encounter an obstacle. Have you ever looked in a mirror? Properties of light enable you to see your image. The light striking the surface from one direction is reflected in a new direction. This causes your eyes to detect the reflected light and you see a reversed image called a reflection. When you have a rough material, you are unable to see an image because the rough material causes light to reflect in many directions. A cherry that is red absorbs all colors of light and reflects red light. A green apple reflects green light while absorbing all other colors. Black objects absorb all colors of light. White objects reflect all colors of light and absorb less energy. This is why white clothing is cooler than dark clothes on a hot day. Transparent allows light. Transparent materials allow light to pass through them. Transparent materials absorb very little of the light that hits them. Because transparent materials absorb very little light that hits them, it makes it easy to see things through them. Examples are glass, air, and water. In this lesson, you have learned about various properties of light, such as reflection and refraction. You also learned about how light acts when it strikes various types of materials, such as opaque, transparent, and translucent materials. What questions do you have about light? The next lesson will be on light energy. You will also perform an investigation involving light. Remember to write your summary of this lesson, as well as at least one question about light's properties or uh, how light interacts with materials.